Hey, welcome back. Today we've got a foggy headlight on a Toyota. One side's good, one side's bad. It's supposed to look like this, actually clear. And we've got some Toyota quality on this side. It's all fogged up. As you can see, here's what we're going to do. We're going to try to polish it out just with some regular polishing compound. We heard this might work. We've seen people use sandpaper, but we're going to go a little bit lighter. Try the polishing compound. We're going to do a test spot right here real quick. Let's see if it actually works. We're going to use lots of water as we do this as well. So hang on, let's see if it works. We're trying a little test spot before we get too crazy. The rubbing compound just kind of scrapes off some of that extra plastic that's been UV damaged. Alright, now we're going to rinse this off with the water, see if that works. So we just started with the test spot. You can already see that you can actually see the chrome underneath now compared to this, and that only took about 2 minutes of rubbing. We're going to rinse it off, take a little closer look. Yeah, it's looking better already. We're going to keep rubbing. We're going to rub this entire headlight, and hopefully it'll maybe not look new, but hopefully it'll be a lot more functional. Alright, we're still using the rubbing compound. It's wet right now, so it probably looks better than it really is. We're going to do this a few times, and hopefully that'll give us our shine back. Alright, now we're going to apply another layer of rubbing compound and rub it again. Here's the final result. This is dry, and it actually turned out really good. It actually turned out better than I thought it would. That was just with the rubbing compound. This car is not super old, so it's about 8 years old, so maybe it wasn't too bad. If you have even worse UV damage, you may have to use some sandpaper, something to get you started. That's it. Hope you enjoyed our video. Thanks for watching.